bell structure was completed in 1992. It was a memorial to the unsung victims of the Second World War, 7,000 or so, and every day at midday the bell used to chime in honor of the fallen. In 2016, the functioning of the bell had to stop because of a certain series of damages that were being noticed and reported on the outer shell of the superstructure, the upper part. Heritage Malta had taken custody of the monument with most of the national monuments across the country, and in 2019, just before the pandemic, an analysis of the structure was started on a more professional level. Unfortunately, the pandemic put most of the works to a halt. We had already started by dismantling one of the more seriously damaged structures, columns on the structure, and we discovered that damages underlying the hard stone cladding were of a more serious nature than originally imagined. The first analysis consisted of dismantling the hard stone cladding to this column. A series of intensive testing was done both on the concrete material and on the steel. Once the intervention on the structure and the reinforcing with the steel fascias is completed, the concrete will be plastered over with and waterproofed with adequate materials, more adequate than those originally pertaining to the structure, and eventually the whole monument will be clad once again with the larger part of the original hard stone, which has been dismantled and preserved during the process of the works. Heritage Malta is also in contact with the suppliers, the original suppliers of the bell itself, which is one of its kind in the European region. And the restoration of the bell and the bell mechanism will also occur in parallel with the structural reinforcing that we are seeing ongoing at the moment. This radical intervention will take the structure several decades into the future without need of any further major interventions, and hopefully get to chime again as soon as possible towards the completion of the works by the end of the year.